Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix not authorized to join this experience due to privacy settings in Roblox. So if you're trying to play a game or maybe get another feature or maybe you think something is not working and you get this pop-up which says that you're not authorized to join this experience because of the privacy settings. This is because you have some restrictions related to content, and in this video I'll show you how easily you can fix it. So first you have to simply open up your Roblox on your browser, or you can also do it into the game. Now you have to simply go to the settings. So for that reasons, you can see on the top right corner we have this gear icon. You have to click onto it and click on the first option, settings. As you get into this option, now here you can see we have a lot of different options. So from all these options you have to click onto this one, privacy and content restrictions. Once you get into it, now you have to click onto this first option, which is the content maturity. So here if it is set on minimal, that means you're able to access anything and you're not restricted. But if it is on the restriction, that means you have some limitation and you have privacy settings through which you would not be able to get the maximum features, which is like something filtered out, maybe blurred, maybe killing, or anything that is not suitable for some viewer. So they have set this content maturity. So if you want the best experience, then you have to set it to minimal. Otherwise you can also set to different levels as per your preferences, and after that you would be able to get everything and you would not be restricted towards anything. So that's how you can fix not authorized to join this experience due to privacy settings in Roblox. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you're new to this channel or you have not subscribed yet, then make sure to do it for more informative videos and updates. Leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.